And so even though you start with these three questions, as you dig into the low level details, you will begin to ask questions that are more directly related to the current product that is in the market, your product, and current customer issues and so forth. Like I said again, if it's a customer issue, it's a set of bugs, and it's a product enhancement, then obviously it'll map back into the first question, which says what customer problem you're going to solve with this new product that you're coming up with, right? And so the second one, I talked about the company's roadmap vision. Does it fit into the company's roadmap? So here I want to pretty much everybody knows what a roadmap is, even in a technology company. What is a product roadmap or a company roadmap? But I want to spend 1 or 2 minutes just to talk about the thinking that goes behind in developing a roadmap. Let's say in a world without any roadmap in your company, where does that come from? Who puts together, and why, and what kind of thinking goes into coming up with that roadmap page that you all used to seeing in your company? And the way I would like to describe this or explain it is by first I want to describe something called an asymmetry. Especially when it comes to a technology company, there is a sort of an asymmetry between the company's technology and a company's product. So there is company's technology, all the R&D and whatever algorithms that you guys have developed in the company, and then there is company's product. And so let me explain to you what this asymmetry is all about. So basically, so if you look at the graphic that would probably show up on your screen anytime now, is there is technology, there's product, and there is economic value or the revenue that your company expects, and then there is the decision. So the way I understand that, I'd like you to understand this picture is like this. You have great technology in the company, great, terrific, and now you have a set of choices that in products, a set of products that you can develop with this technology. Now these products may not necessarily have to be radically different from each other, but each product, somebody comes up with this version of the product and someone else comes up with another version of it. Let's build it this way. So so let's say they have like 4 options, like I said, from a product point of view, that you can develop by using the technology that you have as the core technology that you have in the company. So now, in the graphic, what I'm showing here is, there's a line between this product and that big revenue bubble. So I call that as a time to revenue. So if you look at the graphic, the choice is always what is the product which gives you the quicker path to a bigger revenue. So once again, there are many product configurations are possible from the technology that you have in the company. And of all these choices of products, the one that is most suitable and most preferred by your management, your CEO and sales, is that particular product that gets bigger revenue at a faster time. And so there is this thing called time to revenue. It is related to the marketing notion called time to market, but looking at it from a real life, day-to-day sales and revenue and company's financial performance point of view, it all really boils down to time to revenue. No matter what the high-level strategic thinking or a vision might say as to the direction of the company, when it comes to every quarter review of where the company is going, even if you are a startup company, it could be, now I'm showing here as a revenue, but it could be number of users as a metric. So pick any metric. and that metric is what drives the choice of the product. And so the thinking is that the reason what I say when I say asymmetry, what I mean by that is, even though you have a great technology, that technology is not exactly treated in a same way for all the products. Only that product which gets the company closer to a bigger revenue faster, company sort of skews in going in that direction. It is, and again, this bigger revenue, it doesn't have to be directly resulting from your product alone, but it could be, for example, if your product has a unique feature that helps you to tie up with another product that already has a bigger mass adoption in the market, then obviously you would be taking advantage of the bigger market. So this particular product feature, hence that particular product becomes a higher priority, and the company management will make a decision to go with that product.